you go to Buc-ee's and you never know what you're gonna see. Look at this thing. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so we made a stop. We're at Marine Connection. You guys, if you've been watching the channel for a while, will remember I come here all the time to get marine equipment for boats, customers' boats, projects, you name it. The gooseneck on my trailer doesn't have a ridge or any kind of bar that stops stuff if I put it up on the carpet area from sliding back. So what I've got is these 1-inch diameter stanchions. I'm gonna put those all along the top edge, and then I'm gonna put an end cap. I'm gonna use these heavy duty 1-inch block ones right there. I'm gonna use those, and I'll have a 1-inch stainless steel bar that goes across. It keeps pretty much anything from sliding back if it's in a box or crate or something like that. You never know what you're gonna see. Daylight in Florida. So we've been getting 9-10 miles per gallon towing the trailer, the 24-foot trailer that's got a V-nose front end. And I've been telling people this for years, that a V-nose trailer is always fighting for the air and it's never a smooth trip. I decided to pop my sunroof and open it up. And sure enough, just the sunroof changes the airflow enough that our fuel mileage has gone up to 11 miles per gallon average instead of the 10.1, 10.2 mile per gallon. So we've picked up a full mile per gallon just by tilting the sunroof up. But that's what it does. Pretty crazy. Okay, just dropped off Todd's trailer. Check this thing out. I have never seen a quad with a sway bar. Makes me want to put road tires on it and go autocross. This would be a blast. I mean, coilovers that are adjustable. Could you see putting some Fox shocks on it or something ridiculous? Look at this thing. Dude, you don't have enough hours on this.
It's got 4.5 miles on it.
He's got a hook on the front so you can get pulled out in mud when you get stuck. And this is a cooler. Check out this thing. I like that it's lockable so you can lock your beer. That is neat, man. That is really neat. So any offers on this beast?
Yeah, I've had a few. Nothing at 10.
This is so sexy. All business in the front. Look at that car. There she is. If you want one of the most meticulously built AMCs in the world, here you go. Here's your sign. Just let me know and I'll put you in touch with my man Todd here. Look at that. America, baby. We got big fat wheeled sister. That's an awesome truck. That's the one I should have got. 2,500. No trips to Florida happen without connecting to Buc-ee's. That's right. It's crazy. It's like you go from one Buc-ee's to another Buc-ee's to another Buc-ee's. I mean, if you're traveling on the East Coast, you know, you're connecting to Buc-ee's. And that's literally because they have the cheapest fuel in the country. If you want to know the secret of why Buc-ee's has the cheapest fuel, is because they bring all their own fuel in from Texas. Yep, that's true. Right there. Angleton, Texas. And by doing that, you're utilizing the cheap fuel that you get from Texas. Now, here's something I haven't seen. A Mercedes charging point. That's completely new. EV charging. Usually you see Tesla charging. And this is the new Buc-ee's car wash. Many of the big locations are all getting a car wash. So just a week ago I was driving through here, and now everything's covered in snow. We're on 301 crossing into Delaware from Maryland, and it's beautiful. Well, when you go through the GW Bridge and come into New York, this is what you can expect. other than that, you can expect roads that are absolutely the worst roads in America. It's like driving on the moon with the craters and shit. Yeah, my tablet's hooked up and it's just redlined for as far as you can see. I gotta go 9 miles and it says I've got 26 minutes to get there. It's gonna be crazy. Look at this. I mean, it's gridlock. Look at up there above it on an overpass. Nothing's even moving. And just creepy crawly like this. I'll be honest, I'd rather be going nice and slow because when I hit the potholes and stuff, look at it. They got these Hispanic people right here. Immigrants. They just on the side of the freeway. Just trying to sell stuff. Check out the ice from the water. That's it. You gotta have courage to drive here. All right, so we watching the floor. Working on the love knot. Everybody's gonna stand on this. There we go. It'll be fun. Look at that. Look at that. Harbor Freight, baby. Nope, I can't make this up. It works. Harbor Freight to the rescue. Who would have ever thought? Look at that. Mission accomplished. All right, due to the snow and the beautiful surroundings, I did not video loading this Prugna. That's spelled Prugna Testarossa into the trailer. Gorgeous. Cannot wait to see this car in the sunlight in Florida. It may be 30 degrees outside or even colder than that, but seeing something this beautiful really warms my heart. When I was in high school, maybe college, yeah, something like that. Back in the day, this was the most amazing car ever. It still is one of the most amazing cars ever made. Absolutely beautiful. And that's an antique vehicle. Can you believe that? Oh, I can't wait to see this thing in the sunlight and all detailed and clean. She got a little dirty. She's a little dirty. All right, let's give her a quick walk around. Generator is in the bed and secure. Airbags are reset. Oh man, my trailer was all nice and clean. Door is locked and secure. Got blinker fluid. Definitely got blinker fluid. What was it? Seafood. Shrimp.
It's the bang bang shrimp.
It's bang bang and it blew his mind.
Put it in your mouth and it goes bang.
As he eats this. So here we go. Look at that. It's called an explosion of flavor. It's like watching that movie Accepted.
Oh, it's like a little baby body duck.
Yeah.
Look, they come out, couple folks come. Mama.
great day on the Monster. Breaking in the new engine. Twin 750s now. Look at that bounce.